Welcome back. So let's see some of the KNN use cases in order to emphasize that KNN is actually used in practice, used in research, and used in industry. Okay, so the first application for KNN is text mining. So this is the first paper here, as we can see, KNN based machine learning approach for text and document mining. So if you go here, you will find this paper talking about using KNN with another machine learning or statistical method called TF-IDF, and together they form a framework for text categorization, right? So you can check this paper, it's pretty awesome. You can see that almost everything we said is used in this paper, okay? So this is the first application, and we have also another paper talking about using KNN for document mining, okay? The second application for KNN is in agriculture. So as you can see here, translating climate forecasts into agriculture terms, advances and challenges. And this paper also, if you check it and check the code along with this paper, you will see that KNN is used for climate prediction, right? Or climate forecasting. And we have also another paper talking about a tool for real-time prediction of daily weather data based on a modified KNN algorithm, okay? So it's used in text mining, it's used in agriculture, and it's also used in finance. So as we can see here, it's used for stock market indices prediction, and it's used for financial time series forecasting. So it's used in banking and it's used in stock market. And finally, it's used also in Kaggle competitions. So if we check this Kaggle competition, you will see that this competition was from Google, right? And more than 1,000 teams joined this competition on web traffic time series prediction. And the prize money for this competition was 25 grand. And as we can see, the third place for this competition was using KNN, right? So they didn't really use any deep learning, they didn't really use any complicated algorithm, they just used KNN and they got the third place, okay? We have also another competition coming from Facebook, right? And more than 1,000 teams also joined this competition 5 years ago. And as you can see, Facebook V predicting chickens, identify the correct place for the chickens. And as you can see, this was the 17th place out of 1,200 teams. And the solution was using KNN along with another algorithm, a statistical method called KDE, right? So this is the code if you want to check it, right? Or a snippet of the code. So as we can see, this is just a snapshot of the applications for KNN. If you check yourself or search yourself, you will find many more applications for KNN, okay? So in the next lesson, we will summarize the pros and cons for KNN, right? So if you really want to get a summary on when to use KNN and what is good for and what is not good for, then the next lesson will be for you. So let's go.